Hey, if OBS window capture isn't working, yeah, that can be really frustrating when you're trying to record a specific app. The good news is this problem is usually easy to fix. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to get window capture working properly in OBS. So let's jump in. First, try running OBS as administrator. I mean, some apps run with higher permissions, and if OBS doesn't match that level, window capture may fail. Next, open your window capture source and make sure the correct window is selected. Yeah, sometimes OBS grabs the wrong app or an inactive window. This is a big one, especially on laptops. If OBS and the app you're capturing are using different GPUs, window capture may show a black screen. So go into Windows graphics settings and make sure both are using the same GPU. Now go back to the window capture properties and try switching the capture method. I mean, changing between automatic, Windows graphics capture, or BitBlot often fixes detection problems. Another common cause is hardware acceleration inside the app you're capturing. Open the app's settings and turn hardware acceleration off, then restart the app. If it still isn't working, yeah, delete the window capture source and add a new one. Sometimes the source just glitches and needs a fresh start. And that's it. One of these fixes should get OBS window capture working normally again. If this helped you out, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.